girl prefers 100K followers, over 300K a month.
I will have a way nicer life if I make a little less money. I will have a way nicer life if I make a little less money.
I will have a way nicer life if I make a little less money. But I truly have options in abundance, and the opposite of the most painful life, where I got the money, but I got no selection. Fame is the way, and famous people literally saying it. Proof. Being studied in this book, fame is the biggest hammer. Hope said now that I'm famous, I got hoes all around me. Bad bitches didn't know me last year. Bitch said they used to diss me, they miss me. Diss me, not the right love letters, but they miss me. Mike said back then hoes didn't want me. Now I'm hot, hoes all on me. 50 Cent, selling like Eminem, hoes wanna fuck. Fame is the way. And it finally stacks with time and skills. Unlike day game, I can get my nines even when I'm 50 years old. Unlike Metro Stevens, Lottie, 24/7. Most musicians are lost. They got zero understanding of business, discipline, their target audience on marketing. I can reach exactly my audience. Unlike fashion agencies, BS trips organized for older girls.
I have tried almost every way.
Bartender, separate countries, approaching in the gym, the street night game, throwing events and parties. What else should I do? The world and the universe told me
It's time, volume, finally. I can stop talking about how rare it is to find the look I want.
But imagine how much harder to find a look and a personality. And it allows for you to have high standards. With volume you can have high standards, not expectations for people to live up to. Gives location freedom. I don't wanna be bound to Minsk. I want tens in every country I might relocate to, and she will always understand your value in the truest sense. She'll know she got to behave, not needy. Girls gonna do easier life, dead game, always trust issues. Solve this once and for all. It aligns the group's interests, unlike going dig dang, dimming, they'll vibe in two streets, competing. More fun lifestyle, get invited to parties, be able to invite them to your parties.
Volume,
Creative hobby and passion. What else would I rather be doing as a hobby? Game? Well, for us this is game. Just reaching so many more people simultaneously. How much time? It's friction and an attention draining. I know. But it feels impossible to completely not pay attention to it. So whenever I get free time, I should do music. It's my hobby now.